guys, what's up? My name is Devjan and today I am going to make a video of Brawl Stars. So guys, today I got till 10,000. I got Gil Star Power. I got BB. So I got Gil Tower from this box and I got BB from this box. So I'm freaking happy for that. And yeah guys, this star power is amazing. Second wind. Gale provides a speed boost to teammates that are caught in the path of a super. So guys, when my teammates are in my super, they will get a speed boost so that they can run much faster. But I will not get it, but that's okay. So guys, today I am going to play some games with BB, but first with Gale. So let's play. Hey, I can upgrade my Spike. I have to upgrade him. So I'll play with Seeds. And this is my second power 10 brawler. So I'm happy. I'm freaking happy. Wow, what? Dark Key? What the heck? Did this happen to you guys also? So let's hop into our first game. So now I will show you how this works. But first, let's do the gadget. Ooh. That's okay still. We did 15%.
Sweet wristband, we like cotton candy.
Yay! Super was wasted. Now I'll show you. See, this happens if they are caught in the super. This star power, I don't know, but I love this star power. What do you tell, guys? Is this star power great or not? Give me in the comments. And yeah guys, Raghav's channel would be in the description, so don't forget to check his channel out, as he's a great player in Brawl Stars. These players are amazing. No! What the heck? Go away from here. No! He died. But I could show you the Gale star power. I love his star power. So let's hop into our second game. No, we are down to 9,977. 9,997. No. That's okay. So our second game is starting, guys. I hope we got some good players. Okay. I think so. Raghav is lagging. Let's do the gadget.
You silly sausage.
Wow, we all are here. And they are confused what is happening. Wow, we did it till 26 times. No, we died, but still, that's okay. Wow, they are doing too much damage. That's great. I'm happy.
You showed them, Gale. You showed them all. Gale, you silly sausage.
Okay. Haha. That was a great one. Gale's gadget and star power is so great. Oh, there was another power 10 one. Amazing. So now guys, this would be our last game with Gale. Then I'll play with BB.
Wins the race.
Wow, I can't believe I have both of them. I'm freaking happy. Freaking happy. Guys, I forgot to tell something. I think so. I got another skin
Slow and
which is
steady
Beach
wins
Brock.
the race.
Hey, I think so this is of power 10. Bye bye. Ha ha ha. What would happen if we combine with Max's super and his super?
Dandy like cotton candy.
Whoa, that would be freaking hell. They are doing so much damage.
Gosh darn.
Wow, we did 44%. That was a great one from you, bro. You wasted his super.
Dynamic.
They knew that I was coming. And now they would be here only. Whoa, what the heck?
For the wicked.
Hitendra.
Sweet and dandy like cotton candy.
Let's do this. Bye-bye. And they got the speed boost also. That's great. Yay! We won our third game. That's great.
You showed him, Gale. You showed him.
So now I will play
Off I go.
with PB only 3 games as I've been trying to record from 1 hour but it's not happening
Tough as nails, hard as a rock.
and my mother would scold me. So no, Raghav, I have to play with this. No. Let's do duos.
Time to
1000.
take care of the weeds. Mr. Bat wants to
Heist. Wow, he wants to play heist.
batter up.
So let's hop into our fourth game. That was a big match. So now they have a
Somebody
merchant
order
here
a knuckle
and
sandwich.
a level 7 one, but not a max level like me. Knew it.
Show some respect. Break out.
I knew it. This would happen. Nice one, Raghav.
You made a big mistake.
Ooh. Wow, that guy is playing so great. Let's do our purpose. And wow, that was a good one.
Watch it, nerd. Break out.
Wow, they are playing so good. Yes, be here only.
Oh my gosh.
Yes,
Mr. Bat wants to play. Show some respect.
whoa, I'm literally very low, dude, and they are playing too good. We are gonna lose 100%.
Watch it. Oh my gosh.
Yes, use this. Nice one, nice. Let's be here. Finally. Whoa! What the heck was that? We lost. The heck was Raghav playing? Gale's gadget is so good. That's okay. I'm gonna play duos. We're gonna play duos. No, Raghav, no. No. Brawl ball.
Mr. Bat wants to play.
He loved his star power. No, Raghav. Gameplay.
Tough as nails, hard as
I
a
hope
rock.
that is understands. Yes. Ooh, let's hop into our fifth game, guys. I'll play more too then the video is finished.
Hey, show some respect. Tough as nails, hard as a rock.
I don't understand it happens then also. It goes after this box also. But it does not hit people. But why is that? No! No, we can't
Break
lose.
out, let's play.
Man, trying to make a video, and these guys are ruining it.
Batter up.
Still, I threw the ball farther.
Tough as nails, hard as a rock.
Pass me, bro, pass me. Yes, yes, Raghav. Yes, nice one. And the walls are broken.
Break out.
The walls
Mr.
broke
Bat
too.
wants to
That's
play.
great. Nice dodge from Raghav. Yes. I pass it to Raghav. And now I throw this ball. No, that was a freaking good one. That was close one.
Miss.
That's okay. Still, we got.
Mr. Bat wants
So, guys, more 2 games then. The video is finished. So, our 6th game is starting, and that was a fast match.
batter up.
Not a great one. What the heck are you doing, Raghav? I think so. He's lagging bad.
Watch it, nerd. Konnichiwa.
No. I missed my super. But still, Raghav is gone. Yay. Go. Nice. Double kill. Let's go at the middle. Raghav can win. Wow. This game is an amazing game. The last player is here. Haha, missed that super. So let's do a predicted super.
Chew on this.
I hope that will work. Where is this last guy? Is it hidden in the middle? No, he was there.
You made
Buddy, trying to make a video. Why are you running? Let's do a knockback. Wow, that was not a good. And I am freaking dead. He didn't save for me, that's okay. I am a noob. I am a freaking noob at this game. I don't know how I got to 10,000.
Somebody order a knuckle sandwich.
Double kill. That was a great game. Finally. Wow. Why is it taking too much time to get till rank 8? I don't know. And you guys, I think so that I'll choose 5 winners for Battle and Royale Brawl Stars. I think that I'll tell who guys watch my video. If you are watching my video, don't forget to check my videos till the end, as I think so that I'll choose random 3 players for making videos with me, and this will be till I think so. I don't know, till next Sunday. So I'll randomly pick 3 winners for getting in my video. So don't forget to give your ID for Brawl Stars or Battle and Royale. Haha, my speed is so great from you. Wow, still so many players are left. Take your test. Whoa. What? There is another trick? The heck? I'm gonna die here, I think so. We are getting bodied. So I hope that Neve is okay. Yes, Neve is okay. That was great, Neve. Yes, the main player is gone. And now, here is a team with Kai, who is with 2008. One hit. That was a good one.
Brilliant, baby. Somebody order a
So
knuckle
I hope
sandwich.
guys that you liked the video, and if you did, hit that like button, hit that subscription button, hit that bell icon so that you will get some notifications for when I will be uploading my next video. And yeah, don't forget to give your battler tag for Brawl Stars or Battle and Royale. If you want to come in my video, and I will randomly choose 3 winners for coming in my video, and this offer would be till Sunday after 1 week. So guys, thank you for watching me. Peace out. Bye.